Spark ignition engines, or SI engines, use a spark plug to ignite a fuel-air mixture, making them popular in gasoline vehicles. They deliver smooth acceleration and are generally quieter. On the flip side, compression ignition engines, or CI engines, rely on high pressure and temperature to ignite diesel fuel, which makes them more fuel-efficient and powerful, especially for heavy-duty applications. While SI engines are great for everyday driving, CI engines dominate in trucks and machinery. Each has its strengths, shaping how we experience power on the road.